Looking for beauty secrets that stand the test of time? Today, we're uncovering 10 timeless beauty tips that can transform your skin and hair. Whether you're a beauty novice or a seasoned expert, these tips are for everyone. From natural remedies to effective skincare routines, these secrets will help you achieve that glowing, radiant look. Let's dive in. First, hydration is key. Hydration is crucial for healthy skin. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily helps maintain skin elasticity, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and supports overall health. Incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon can provide additional moisture. These foods are not only refreshing but also packed with vitamins and minerals that nourish the skin. The power of sunscreen. Wearing sunscreen daily is essential to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging, sunspots, and increase the risk of skin cancer. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. This ensures protection against both UVA and UVB rays. Don't forget areas like your ears, neck, and the back of your hands. Embrace natural oils. Natural oils like coconut, jojoba, and argan oil are packed with nutrients and are excellent for moisturizing both skin and hair. They penetrate deeply and provide essential fatty acids that promote softness and shine. Use them as hair masks before washing for deep conditioning or apply a few drops to your face for a dewy glow. For hair, apply oil to the ends to combat dryness and split ends. Regular exfoliation. Exfoliating your skin helps to remove dead skin cells, promoting a fresh and glowing complexion. This process unclogs pores, improves product absorption, and can help reduce the appearance of blemishes. You can choose between physical scrubs with gentle beads or chemical exfoliants like AHS alpha-hydroxy acids and BHS beta-hydroxy acids. AHS are great for dry skin, while BHS are better for oily and acne-prone skin. Aim to exfoliate 1-2 times a week depending on your skin type. Over-exfoliating can lead to irritation, so listen to your skin's needs. Beauty sleep. Never underestimate the power of sleep. Quality sleep is essential for skin repair and rejuvenation. During deep sleep, your body repairs damage and produces new skin cells. A lack of sleep can lead to dark circles, puffiness, and a dull complexion. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep each night. Create a calming bedtime routine, dim the lights, and keep electronics away to improve sleep quality. Consider using sleep masks or white noise for a more restful environment. Diet matters. What you eat plays a significant role in your skin's health. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can enhance your natural beauty and promote a clear complexion. Foods rich in vitamin C, like oranges and strawberries, help with collagen production, while omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and flax seeds, help maintain skin's moisture barrier. Find your signature scent. A signature scent can elevate your mood and boost your confidence. It can make you feel more put together and leave a lasting impression on others. Explore different fragrance families: floral, citrus, woody, and oriental. To find what resonates with you, remember fragrances can smell different on each person due to body chemistry. Apply perfume to pulse points like your wrists and neck for a longer-lasting scent, and avoid rubbing the fragrance to preserve its integrity. Mindfulness and self-care. Taking time for yourself is crucial for maintaining both physical and mental health. Stress can manifest in skin issues, so practice mindfulness or indulge in self-care rituals. Try meditation, yoga, or simply taking a warm bath with essential oils. These practices can help reduce stress, leading to healthier skin and a more radiant appearance. Hair masks for nourishment. Regularly using hair masks can provide intense moisture and nourishment, making your hair healthier, shinier, and more manageable. You can easily make your own masks using ingredients like honey for moisture, avocado for healthy fats, and olive oil for shine. Apply to damp hair and leave on for 30 minutes before washing. Confidence is key. Lastly, remember that confidence is the best beauty secret. Embracing your uniqueness and wearing your self-assurance can truly enhance your overall beauty. Practice positive affirmations and surround yourself with supportive people who uplift you. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. We've covered 10 timeless beauty secrets that can enhance your natural beauty and boost your confidence. Remember, beauty comes from within, and these tips can help you shine both inside and out. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite beauty secret in the comments below. Let's keep the beauty conversation going.